So I'm going to take backup of my PS4 console. So just going to insert with this. Insert the pen drive on your PS4 console. Once you insert it, you need to go to the settings. And the settings come for system. Under system, search for backup and restore. So here write backup and restore. Before that, you need to sync your trophies on your PlayStation Network. So what I'm going to do is go to trophies, select trophies. So trophies, right? You need to press this options button to sync. So here you can see this sync with PlayStation Network. So I'm gonna just give this syncing trophies with PlayStation Network. Now, so you can copy trophies as well. So going back, settings, come for system, and the system, right? Go to backup and restore. So backup PS4. So save data, captures, settings, everything, right? Now I'm gonna do next. So this is the description. You can search the file. So click backup. So my PS4 is restarting. So now my PS4 is backing up. That's it. Now this is the way you can take backup of your PS4. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my video. Thank you. Bye.